So, mami,
What is your favorite food in?
yung kape. Sige, tawa ka ng tawa eh. So yun mga kapatid, papunta kami ngayon sa Toby Carvery kasi nagutom ang mga bata tapos namin mag-arcade. So punta kami. Tignan nyo naman yung town center mga kapatid. Alas 5 pa lang ng hapon. 5 o'clock ng hapon. Halos wala nang katao-tao. There's no people outside. Is that attention?
It's like COVID.
Like, sa COVID, it's ganito talaga eh.
Everybody was basically in their homes.
Yeah. Ayun, tignan nyo mga kapatid, lungkot to. Kami lang tao dito sa labas. We're the only one here.
No, we're not. There's a bunch of other people.
Yeah, just a few. Ayan. So ayan, maghahapunan kami sa Toby Carvery. Roast chicken, roast beef, roast pork, gammon. Ayan. Sumulan na.
Time for
Raining.
I think.
Next one, huh?
Time.
Ulan, isang linggo na. Panay ulan dito. Grabe. Kakasawa na eh. Kasi anak.
That's the entrance to Diagon Alley.
Yeah.
Scary Hollow.
Ulan, isang linggo nang umuulan. Ito lang yung downside dito mga kapatid eh. Panay ulan. Kahit summer, di mo maramdaman na kasi umuulan. Ayan. Sarado na, alas 5 pa lang ng hapon. Sarado na yung mga shopping. Sarado na. Ha? Ayan. Alas 5, sarado na. Kapag linggo Sunday kasi ngayon, 10:30 to 4:30 lang ng hapon. So 4:30 ng hapon, sarado na. Pero pagdating sa London, ano pa yan? Bukas pa. Pero dito sa lugar namin, kasi countryside, sarado na. So ayan mga kapatid, dito na kami sa Toby Carvery. Get my quotation. Ay, lamig!
Let me out, please.
Toby Carvery! Para sa hapunan namin.
Hurry up. Let him out.
Takbo, ulan kasi ng ulan. Ulan ng ulan. Kakainis. Ayan, Toby Carvery. Aking pamilya. Yun, no? Pwede na sila for Valentine's. Look at that. Ang bata makakita ng laruan eh. So yan, mac and cheese.
Yeah, I really like mac and cheese.
And what else you want?
Corn and some...
Prawn, there's no corn here.
Corn!
Corn. No corn pala. Naintindihan eh. Sinasabi ni Bunso.
Cucumber stick.
Cucumber steak. Okay.
And... chips.
Sure. Okay. Mami, anong order? Mami, anong orderin mo?
Roast dinner.
Ikaw?
What?
What are you gonna order?
Roast dinner.
Good choice.
Daddy, what do you...
Rice.
what else would you like?
Order rice.
They don't do rice here.
Daddy.
Ayan, Carvery.
Do you want a Yorkshire? You don't want a Yorkshire pudding?
Actually, yeah.
Nice.
What meat do you want?
I don't know.
So you've got
Mga
gammon, you've got lamb,
iniihaw dito.
oh and pork. So you want pork? Can we have one pork, please?
Thank you. Uy. Meron pa silang balat dito. Balat ng baboy. Kunin natin yun. Ayaw nila eh. Kunin natin yun. Ayun, panalo. Yes, bro. Tapos, ayun yung mga sauce dito. Pero naparami ako ng kuha nito, yung balat ko. Kasi hindi pinapansin ng mga Briton eh. So, ayun mga kapatid ang aming kinuha. Ayun ah. Cauliflower, balat ng baboy, si mami ganun din ah. Ayun, station, Fia. Kain na na. So ayun mga batid, lalagyan natin ng asin yung mga pagkain natin kasi masyadong bland ng lasa. Pero nakarami ko nito yung balat to. Grabe, napaka-crunchy. Mami. Crunchy. Berry. Do you like it? Ayun mga batid, pigs and blanket. Paborito ni Mrs. yan. Saka ng mga bata. So, bakit tinawag na pigs and blanket namin? Isa siyang sausage, tapos binalutan ng bacon. Parang kinumutan siya. Kaya tinawag na pigs and blanket dahil may kumot yung sausage. So, Mommy, how's the food?
Good.
Did you enjoy it?
Very much so. My plate is pretty much empty compared to yours. Look at yours.
So ito naman sa akin, hindi ko naubos. Medyo umano yung batok ko, uminit. Uminit yung batok ni Kuya Fredo. Tension, di pa rin ubos. Sophia, di pa rin ubos. Ayan.
What is your favorite food in here?
It's a pudding.
Yorkshire pudding.
I'm not going to eat on corn, and I didn't know what the orange things were in the cauliflower. I thought it was corn, but it wasn't. It was just orange.
Oh dear.
For no reason.
You prepare. What do you like here? Everything?
All of it.
Almost everything, he loves it. Ang lakas kumain to eh. Ayan, magkano mami?
£61. 99p for Sophia.
61 pounds ang
Paid
babayaran natin.
99p for Sophia.
99p lang ang binayaran ni Sophia.
Oh, can we get a bit?
Si kulit, itong kulit-kulit ng bata na to. Oo, walang tawa eh.
Thank you.
That's okay,
No,
thank you.
that's fine. Thank you.
Ayan si mami, tawa ng tawa. Let's go, ready? Let's go back home and sleep.
No.
Going to school
I wanna go
tomorrow.
to the hotel.
Let's go. So yan, tapos na ang Sunday. Lunes na bukas may pasok na naman ulit. Busog. At syempre, muulan na naman. Ulan, ulan, ulan! Uwi na kami. Siguro mga 30 minutes drive lang naman pa uwi. Yan, sakyan namin. Let's go. Wait. Ay, ay. Lakas ng ulan. Let's go, boys and girls. Ah. Grabe, lamig.
Get in the car!
Grabe, lamig mga kapatid. So, yun, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin. Don't forget to like, subscribe sa aming channel. Kuya Fredo, salamat po.